presenting the Dodge 2018 Journey Say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, black top package included, black headlamp bezels wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 aluminum with black top package gloss black grille, quick order package 22B included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP rear view auto dim mirror with display park view rear backup camera, redline 2-coat pearl, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, connectivity group included, radio 4.3S Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped shift knob leather-wrapped steering wheel, radio, 4.3S included, Sirius satellite radio 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info